Well, it's a beautiful Friday afternoon. We've got Grumpy out and had an interesting call come in. One of our friends, a contractor we work with, somehow poured some type of plumbing that they did in CDF. And if you don't know what CDF is, it's flash fill. It's basically low PSI concrete or grout that has a lot of fines in it. Bad thing about CDF is when it sets up, it's not very fun to cut out of there. It takes a lot of pressure and a lot of time. They poured that this morning, had some type of failure, and called us up to see if we could get that stuff removed while it's still green. So we are going to take our Presvac out because it makes a little bit more pressure and it has more BTUs of heat if needed. And we're going to see if we can't cut that out for them before it turns into stone. So I'm going to finish my load and we'll hit the road. Well, this is what we're going to be vacuuming. If I can get over here. Let's see. So you can see that different color right under here is where we're going to be exposing the plumbing, and we've already put 4 pounds of sugar on it. We're going to just kind of keep adding sugar. Since Portland in that still has a little bit of spice to it, we're going to keep putting sugar in it for a retarder. That way we don't show up to the dump site with a big brick, and we'll get to it. Yeah. Cool beans. That'll do. Well, we got it before the CDF got too stiff to cut. Put a bunch of sugar down on it for a retarder. And yeah, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see this. Got everything all put away on this guy. This truck's nice. It's got recirculating heat, and it's a good cold weather truck. It's got a big burner on it too. So here's the after. Not exactly sure what's going to be modified on this, but whatever it is, they're going to be able to do it with glass. Thank you guys for watching. I really love what I do, and it's kind of cool to be able to share it with people that aren't in this industry, kind of see what's involved with just keeping the day-to-day running and keeping the infrastructure and everything moving forward so people can have a seamless day. But thanks again for watching. If you want to like or subscribe, maybe. Somebody just threw something at our truck, I think. Oh, there he is. Oh, look, a vagrant. Let's see if we can get a better look at this old boy. Yep, that's a good old-fashioned vagrant. Gotta love working downtown. Old Grumpy don't care. Grumpy's got a lot of hours and seen a lot meaner fellas than that cat. And on that note, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for